This is how fit you actually need to be to become an FBI agent. The FBI employs some of the most elite agents in the US. Their job is to protect the country from terror, espionage, criminal activity, and a whole slew of tasks that require both mental and physical sharpness. The FBI mandates that applicants be in excellent physical shape. They must pass a vision test, a hearing test, and undergo a medical and health review. Once given the okay, applicants must pass the official FBI's physical fitness test, the PFT, to be considered sufficiently fit to effectively respond to life-threatening situations on the job. The test has 5 events. Number 1 are sit-ups. You must do a maximum number of continuous sit-ups in 1 minute. Number 2 is a timed 300-meter sprint. The third are push-ups. You must do a maximum number of continuous push-ups. It's not timed, but if you pause or fail, it's over. Fourth is a timed 1.5-mile run. And the final event are pull-ups. You must do a maximum number of continuous pull-ups. Here's the twist. You can't take more than 5 minutes of rest in between each event. Here's how it's scored. You might want to take a screenshot for this. To pass this test, applicants must score a minimum of 12 points total, with at least 1 point in all events. If you score less than 0 in any event, you automatically fail. Now, if you want to join the tactical recruitment program, you need at least 20 points total. So, are you fit enough to be a special agent? If this is on your bucket list, or you just want to be as fit as an FBI agent, there are definitely workouts you can do to get on that level. You'll need to improve your stamina and speed with cardiovascular exercises like high-intensity interval training, and you'll definitely need to work on your strength by following a proper full-body strength exercise plan.